myself Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today I teach you concept of an angles. What do you mean by angles? Two different rays starting from the same fixed point form an angle. Two different rays. You take this is first ray OA and second ray OB whose starting point is common. These two rays form an angle. So this is called angle. Its symbol is this and measurement of an angle in degree. So this is degree is a unit of measurement of an angle. So this you can write angle O or angle AOB. This portion is called interior part of an angle and this portion is called exterior part of an angle. Now I teach you types of an angle. First type is right angle. Right angle means those angles whose measurement is exact 90 degree. This type of measurement angle is called right angle. Its figure look like this because this is 90 degree or this is a 90 degree. AOB, AOB. So this angle AOB is 90 degree. Now second types of an angle is acute angle. Acute angle's measurement is lies between 0 to 90. That means lies between 0 to 90. Its figure look like this. AOB this or this. This is an acute angle. Third is obtuse angle. Those angles whose measurement is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. This type of an angle is called obtuse angle. Its figure look like this. This angle or this type of angle. Fourth is straight angle. Straight angle means those angles whose measurement is exact 180 degree. If your protractor you put here. So this is your 0 point, that means starting, and measure these angles. This is 180 degree. That's why this straight line make 180 degree. Reflex angle. Reflex angle means your angle measurement is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. This type of measurements angle is called reflex angle. Your figure look like this just. This angle is called suppose 270 degree. So this is included in reflex angle. Now angle formed at a point. Angle formed at a point is 360 degree. How? Suppose this is a point and if you want to measure angle of this point. So point starting from here and ending is here. So 0 to 360 degree. That's why angle formed at a point is 360 degree. Seventh is adjacent angles. Adjacent angle means those angles which has common vertex and common one arm. I explain again. Those two angles, suppose this angle is AOB and other angle is BOC. So angle AOB and angle BOC has common vertex O and common arm OB, because OB arm is here in this angle also and in this angle also. So those angle who has common vertex and common arm 1, this type of an angle is called adjacent angle. Eighth is vertically opposite angles. Whenever your two lines intersect each other, this line and this line intersect each other, then this is your intersection point. So opposite angles of this intersection point is called vertically opposite angles. So this angle and these angles are called vertically opposite angles. This angle and these angles are called vertically opposite angles. Complementary angles. Those two angles whose addition is 90 degree, then these two angle is called complementary of each other. If you have one angle A and other angle B, if addition of these two angle is 90 degree, then you can say angle A and angle B are complementary angles of each other. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means those angles whose addition is 180 degree. This type of an angle is called supplementary angles. Now I again revise this all types of an angle. Right angle, this means those angles whose measurement is exactly 90 degree. Acute angles, those angles whose measurement lies between 0 to 90. Obtuse angle means those angles whose measurement greater than 90 and less than 180. Straight angle means those angles whose measurement is exactly 180 degree. Reflex angle means those measurement lies between 180 to 360 degree. Angle formed at a point means point and measure this angle, it's exactly 360 degree. Adjacent angle means those two angles who has a one common vertex and one common arc. This type of an angle is called adjacent angle. Vertically opposite angle means whenever your two lines are intersect each other, then opposite angle of this intersection point is called vertically opposite angles. Complementary angles means those two angles whose addition is 90 degree. Supplementary angles means those angles whose addition is 180 degree. Thank you.